So today we're going to working on actually keep working on the interactivity. So we're going to learn how to. Last time we learned how to get value from a prompt alert. This time we're gonna learn how to get value from a form. So for those of you who forget forms, we cover a little bit in HTML. So we're just going to do form. Let me log in really quick. And therefore, I can share it to you. Alright, good. So, let's start with a form tag. I didn't really follow the standard for all doc type, HTML body, because, well, Coben's nicely already organized. Alright. So, I don't need any CSS right now. Alright. Now, let's take a look. So, for form, our H1 just going to be hello world form. Alright, so first we're going to change it to text with a placeholder text, just say name, and then let's add a line break, and then let's go ahead follow a button type equals button ID equals button. Alright. Okay, I forget, so let's just say click me. Click me. Alright. So now let's take a look how can we interact this. Cause now I click me, what will happen is nothing going to happen. And I want to add something when the thing clicks. So first I need to know where is a button, right? So for this, I'm going to use get element document get element by ID and button. So I'm gonna start explaining the code. So what this does is it's using the document object, specifically using get element by ID. So reading through this HTML document and try to find the element with an ID with ID button. So where's ID button? It's here. Okay, so now let's get the button. So we can say can we do this at event listener click function let's just say console.log. It's working. Let's use escape character so it's working. Alright, let's go ahead and save and let's run. It gives out blue. Okay, good. Alright, good. So now it's working. Now let me explain what just happened, okay? So what this does is we use an event listener, which basically means to tell what happened into here, such as to a button. What happen if I click this button? In this case, so first is specify the type of event you're doing. Second is actually the function, and now I'm actually going to print. So what should I print? Well, first I actually need to get the variable. Right, so let's assume it's going to be constant. I'm just going to use the const keyword, and I'm going to say name equals document dot get element by ID. Yes, by ID. Give your ID a name. And then let's just say print out name. Okay. So now, if I type dev with me, not is me, with me, click me. Okay, so it's oh, I missed one part. It's called that dot value. So here's what just happened. So it's an object HTML input element, which means it doesn't actually get the value. It gives you an array-ish, object-ish syntax. It doesn't really give you value back. You need to specify using dot value keyword. And if we type it again, dev with me. Now indeed, you're saying a text field saying dev is me with just 6 lines of JavaScript and 5 lines of HTML. So that's your name, right? Now what we need to do is let's create a radio button. So let's alright, so I apparently seems to forgot how to create radio button. So let me just Google it really quick. Alright. So input type equals radio. Value equals, let's just say mail. We're just going to do a small survey of things. So let's just say mail. And copy this. Paste it female. And then let me put other. Alright. Oh, I need to change this to other also. Alright, so now let's take a look. Can we use the same syntax as we did to get the radio button? Let's just say const gender equals document dot get element by ID. So let's just say gender. Not sure can we do that with this, but gender dot value console dot log gender plus gender. Alright, so let's take a look. I select male. Okay, good. I select okay, so let me I need a toggle button for this one actually. Okay, good. Okay, let's refresh. And let's go ahead. Choose female. Okay. Let's go ahead select female. Click me. Okay. So we are having a little bit issue here. And to show how real developer solve it, going to do Google search, get value of radio button, JavaScript. How to get multiple radio button. JavaScript. And let's take a look, see if this help us. Okay, so clearly doing a radio button is much complicated. If we're gonna skip that part, probably selecting is also complicated. Yeah. So now I'm gonna stop video. Here's a short video, and now so you know how to get the element using the text field. See you next video.